Hey guys, Farmman here. I just got this turbine engine to start. I'm gonna let it cool down. It just finished its cooling process, and what I got here is just a dryer pipe in case of a flame out. There was one when I started it up, but good thing I got my fire extinguisher right here handy. So yeah. Once the dashboard says that I can start it again, I will go ahead and do that. Right now it's just entering the cool down process. But yeah, I can't start it right now. I gotta wait till it's saying stop. So I'll fire it up. But tomorrow I'm off work and I can really start to organize my wires. I still gotta replace all the fuel tubing in there. I got tubing right there. So that's tomorrow's project. And then I'm waiting on an adapter to go from the tanks. From the tank line to the pump. And right now I don't have that adapter, so I'm just running off the jerry can. So obviously it says stop. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unplug it. I'm going to power it down. And then turn it on again. Okay, so now I should be able to start it. Okay, so this is what I do. Got my fire extinguisher handy. So the trim is ready right now. Trim is up a little bit. I'm gonna give it some throttle. Back down again. And now it's gonna start to run up. I'm just gonna have my fire extinguisher handy in case there's any more air bubbles in the lines. Just to be safe. Okay, no flames this time. She's running right now. Throttle up. There we go, full throttle. Let her down a bit. So I'm going to shut her down right now. This thing is so much fun. I can't wait to fly it. Oh man, I feel like a kid in the candy store. Oh yeah. Woo! I can't wait till it's done tomorrow. Oh, I still got some things to do. I also gotta organize my lines and whatnot, but holy smokes, man. This is awesome. I'm not gonna run it. I'm gonna go live tomorrow after, around supper time. And I will cook some stuff to eat. I'll cook some hot dogs, so yeah. Oh, that's so much fun. Wow. When I had it full power, I was just holding it on with my leg, and man, it is something. It's definitely something though. So yeah, it's done the cool down process. I'm gonna unplug the batteries and shut down the transmitter, and that's about it. So yeah, Farmman says goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video. Remember, I'm going live tomorrow around 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to be called cooking with a turbine. I mean, cooking supper with a turbine. Or cooking with Farmman. Man, I'm so excited I can't even talk right now. Oh, you should have seen it the first time I fired it up. There was flames. You can see where the flames were, but I had that pipe, and that came in handy. And then I had to use a fire extinguisher a little bit. I just bought it today, but I'm gonna have to buy another one anyway. So it still has fuel in it, but it's not empty yet. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to switch the systems off and unplug anything, and that's it.